First method is, guys, you firstly check your keyboard USB or cable, it's damaged or not. So means your cable is cutting and USB it's with junk, it's coming junk, and mm, like damages, so it's not working. And second method is go to setting and accessories. So clicks accessibility, then keyboard, you filter key enable. Okay, then guys close it. Then guys open file manager and right click to PC, show more and manage. So this is computer management. Click to driver manager, driver manage, keyboard. So this is not showing, otherwise showing also not working. So you just select and right click to uninstall device, yes, and select to rescan. Okay, now this is restarted automatically and then show. Okay, bye bye, take care, have an issue please comment me. Okay.